What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Noah here with CustomRCMods. In today's episode we've got the Traxxas Rustler here. We're going to be running at this wide open parking lot at my local high school. This is not going to be the type of running you're just going to do with the local cul-de-sac. We're going to be doing some high speed passes, testing this machine of course, and I do have a fresh 3S battery in here. It's a hard case RCLipobattery.com 3S 5200 milliamp hour 80C pack. Really excited to test that out in this vehicle here. And again, if you would recall, this Rustler, I actually got it for $100 from rcgroups.com. A really good deal, but again, we're putting this thing on the line tonight. We're going to see how it performs. Super excited to do so. Before we begin, I also do want to mention I have my Milan M3 tracker on here, and I just masking taped it to my battery here, and that's going to be tracking max speed and total runtime, hopefully for us, if I get it set up properly. I did do a review on this tracker like last year or something like that, and it's a little bit fidgety sometimes, so hopefully we can get it all set up and working good, and we can see how fast this Rustler actually goes. And you know, it goes pretty fast considering I'm out here at a parking lot that's wide open. I mean, obviously there's obstacles, but we're just gonna have to see how it goes. I'm really excited, so let's go ahead and get into it. Really interesting lighting situation tonight. It's like stormy, but there's still a little sun peeking through the clouds. This thing hauls. Now there is the entrance to the parking lot there, so I'm not gonna mess with that. There also is a pothole right there, as you might be able to see right in front of that arrow here. So, once this thing gets up on two wheels, bad things are gonna happen. So you really got to be careful. And I usually give it some brake, but you got to do a little bit of steering trim. And you guys might hear the spur gear slipping, and that's actually intentional. I went ahead and set this up with a very loose spur for three reasons. First off, of course, is so that it prevents wheelies from happening, because obviously wheelies are the nemesis of good speed runs, because then you're just going to blow right over and you're going to lose that speed, traction, and control of the vehicle. And then the second reason is so I don't break drive shafts or bend drive shafts, and just general driveline wear in the transmission. And of course, the last one is motor temp issues. Basically the same reason, just the same idea, is that a tight spur gear is going to put a lot more load on your motor, which is not going to be good, especially for longevity and running on these high-speed gearings. Flat out. This has so much speed. I can barely even hold it at full speed, but I'm going to accelerate very slowly. And flip over. Thank you. Did you see that? It blew right over. It blew right over. So, like I said, that's what's going to happen to you when you don't back off the throttle when you get your front two off the ground. Alright, let's try that again. I'm going to come this way. I think that might have had some effect by the wind, just getting under that body there. The wind probably 5 miles per hour is coming this way. It's coming towards us, so hopefully going downwind is going to keep less air under the body. And you can see it still does wheelies, but again, it's not instantaneous like if you have the slipper tightened down. So this car is really fun to drive at high speed. I mean, it's still very controllable. Obviously, you don't want to be doing any fast turns or anything like that. But, it's a lot better than my last Rustler, that's for sure. Flipped her over right in front of that parking lot entrance too. Pretty fast machine. And all right, this speed run's it right here, guys. I'm going flat out. I don't care what happens. I'm probably going to pay the price for it, but I'm going to try to accelerate slowly and hopefully keep all four on the ground. Yep. Okay, and we lost a rear body clip, I assume. We lost some sort of body clip. Yep, two at least. These pop off pretty easily, so I doubt that I broke into the body, but just gonna go find those body clips. Well, while we're at it, let's go ahead and check our max speed at this point. 43. There's no way that's right. There's no way that's right. I went much faster than 43 miles per hour. There is no way that 43.8 is my max. I'm not sure. I can't really speak for the reliability of these, but geez. And I'm down a few body clips, of course, now. I don't know what's up with these aftermarket body clips, but they do not like to stay on. So I'm gonna try to look for them because I found them out in the street earlier, but see what we can do. Let's see here. Just need one. I don't care about the others. Just need one for the complete the front two. But all right, you know what? Screw it. Let's do one pass with no body and see if we can get even faster. All right, yeah. If we crash, shock tower's gonna need a replacement for sure. Definitely being a little more conservative now, obviously because there's more in the line. Oh my gosh, that was so close to being a absolute blowover. That would not have been good. Oh, jeez, guys, and jeez. Like I'm just gonna go way down there and accelerate so slowly all the way up to top speed and see if that gets me anywhere. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. Alright, alright. Paid the price there, but it could have been a lot worse. That better not have been the top of my ESC either. Jeez. Okay, we're good. No, we're good. We're good. We're all good. Okay, 47.6. Alright, 47.6. That's the new best. I like that approach a little more than just slamming the throttle. So, for all the marbles right here, folks, I'm figuring I gotta be at top speed before I hit this center little area right here. So that means I'm gonna go back to that like far arrow. There's a straight and a, I guess, left turn arrow up there. I gotta be full speed. Half throttle, full throttle. Okay, that's successful, that's successful. And there's a curb. All right, these tires are balding, but they are definitely still showing their grip, which is good. My other Rustler's tires are completely bald, and yeah, that's just not a good combination there. All right, so I'm going even farther because, again, as soon as I jam full throttle, I gotta hold it for a second in order to keep accelerating. But all right, a little too much there. Thankfully, these tires are somewhat well balanced. They're not, I don't think this Rustler's ever been ran in water, which is good. So, no water in the tires, none of those issues, so. Alright, let's try it again. Yeah, as soon as the front wheels come up, my brakes come on, and I am not messing around, because not only is my shock tower up there with the body post on it, but the ESC heatsink is right there as well. And of course, as soon as the front of the front end goes up, it's just a parachute, and the wind's just gonna blow it over, kind of like you blow over a house of cards almost. The air just gets under it and it flies like a kite. It's not good. All right, that was good. That was good. I was able to hold full throttle for probably 2 seconds. All right. Be better. Yes, 53, guys. 53. That's a new record. All right, let's do one last one again for all the marbles here. I'm gonna see how fast I can get this thing going. Try to avoid that pothole, and I'm playing chicken with my LiPo right now again because I'm not in LiPo battery detection mode where it tells me when I've hit the low voltage. All right, that's not gonna do it. That's not gonna do it. I've noticed, especially keeping the tires going straight keeps them from wearing down easily. So try not to do too many skids. All right. I really need to get a good pass in. It's not smart, but I'm really not trying to destroy my new LiPo either. Okay, here we go. Oh, do you see sparks? I saw sparks. I saw sparks. Jeez, dude. That's right on the back screws, but I wonder if that did it. Nope, still 53.1, and I think that's where it's going to stand for the rest of the evening because we're almost out of juice here. Battery's still doing good. This is an 80C discharge pack, so it's about as good as it gets, but I think I have to do a few more mods before it's ready to go 70 plus. Might even have to go down to a smaller spur gear, so I'm not totally sure. But either way, that's going to wrap it up for the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel for more content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.